Seamark ZM-ZQ100 semi-automatic printing and reballing machine. The equipment integrates printing and reballing functions. Adopt X Z dual-axis high-precision positioning system. Achieve fast and accurate alignment. The printing station is equipped with elastic side scraper. Effectively prevents solder paste overflow. The equipment supports solder ball reballing in various sizes from 0.35 to 0.76 millimeters, compatible with chips up to 65 by 65 millimeters. The whole machine adopts anti-static treatment. Ensure chip operation safety. The vacuum pen quickly collects the residual solder balls in the steel mesh. Effectively prevent material waste. The size of the machine is 700 by 570 by 671.5 millimeters. Weight about 100 kilograms. Whether it is a scientific research unit or a mass production workshop, Seamark ZM-ZQ100 can provide stable and efficient reballing solutions to make precision manufacturing simple and reliable.